I told this story to Amanda, and she thought it was funny. She was at work and got tickled, and we had to hang up the phone. And then a while ago, Nancy and them was here, and I told it to them, and we got so tickled, we was just pure belly laughing. So I thought I'd tell the rest of y'all and see if y'all thought it was as funny as we did. But the other morning I was taking Hunter to daycare, and when I got to the daycare, my door wouldn't open. And I was just distraught. I mean, I did not know what to do. I was like, oh my gosh, my door won't open. How am I going to get out of the car? And because I got a little console in the middle, and I was like, oh Lord, I'm fixing to have to crawl over to the other side of the car to get out. But anyway, it just caught me off guard because my door wouldn't open. So I noticed a lady standing outside my window. And so I was like, oh, let me get that lady to open the door for me. So I rolled down my window and I was like, excuse me, ma'am. I said, I said, is there any way you would open my door for me? I said, my handle quit working and I can't get out of the car. And she was like, oh yeah, I'll open it. So she opened the door for me. Well, I got out and I got Hunter in, and I took him to daycare, and I got back in my car and I went to work, and when I pulled out of work, I was like, oh my God, how am I going to get out of this car? My handle's not working. Anyway, I sat there for a minute, and then I thought, well, duh, just roll down the window and stick your hand out there and open the door. So anyway, I just get tickled at that every time I think about it. So anyway, bye-bye.